Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A7 front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a torque set, a trim removal kit, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. We'll begin by identifying all visible fasteners and clips located around the bumper's perimeter, preparing for a smooth disassembly process. This initial preparation saves time and prevents damage. Next, we'll focus on disconnecting the various components attached to the bumper. Carefully unplug the electrical connectors for the fog lights, found on both the driver's and passenger's sides. Then, locate and disconnect any parking sensor wiring harnesses. If your Audi A7 has headlight washers, gently detach their hoses. Take your time with these steps to avoid damaging any delicate wiring or plastic clips, ensuring a smooth removal. Now, let's tackle the main fasteners holding the bumper in place. Begin by removing the torque screws that secure the bumper to the wheel arch liners on both sides. Next, locate and unscrew the fasteners positioned under the front grille and along the top edge of the bumper. Finally, carefully remove any remaining plastic clips that attach the bumper to the vehicle's underbody. Keep track of all screws and clips for reinstallation. With all fasteners and connections removed, it's time for the final step. Gently pull the bumper straight forward, ensuring all remaining clips disengage from their mounting points. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you in supporting the bumper as it comes free, preventing any accidental drops or damage. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, making sure all electrical connections and fasteners are securely reattached for a perfect fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.